Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we have a real special one for you here. This is beautiful. It's top of the range. So it's a Ford Vignale estate. I hope I pronounced that right, whether it's Vignale. Anyway, that's what it is, and it's top of the range. Beautiful example. Front park distance control. It's finished like in a purpley black metallic. Got a full panoramic roof. Alloy wheels. Privacy glass to the rear park distance control, does have a camera as well, the twin exhausts. So when you get to the interior of this car, it's absolutely amazing. I mean, look at that, it's beautiful condition. Electric tailgate, parcel shelf, all that's been really well looked after. Full leather Vignale interior, as you can see. Full panoramic roof, tilts and slides. And it's when you get into the cockpit, it's absolutely amazing. So you've got electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, upgraded speakers, beautiful interior. Just start the car, 66,079 miles. Tilt side panoramic roof, satellite navigation, heated steering wheel, heated seats, cruise control. It's active cruise control as well, so it actually keeps your distance away from the cars. Adaptive cruise control. The upgraded new gearbox, climate control, all your different little buttons here, auto stop start, park distance control, self park comes up there, also your reverse camera, traction control. Oh, you've got your augs in there, and augs down there as well, USB. Paddle shift on the gearbox, got that steering wheel's lovely and warm. It's a very, very impressive car. It's got so many extras, I'll probably have missed out a lot. Obviously Bluetooth as well. Auto headlights. All our cars are pictured a video outside for a bit of light, but I kept inside our indoor showroom for any weather viewing. So it's got beautiful headlights on it as well, daylights. At DJH we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.